Hello friends, welcome to another video on the revision lecture series of Lucent General Knowledge book. This is part 17 of this video lecture series. In this part, we'll be taking up the final part of Gupta period. So here we go. Pahadpur copper plate inscription of Buddha Gupta is important because, and the correct answer is, it gives evidence to the state ownership of land. In how many groups was the land classified under Gupta rule? And the correct answer is 5 groups. These are Kshetra Bhumi, Khila, Vastu Bhumi, Charaga and Aprahata Bhumi. Cultivable land during Gupta period was called, and the correct answer is Kshetra Bhumi. Wasteland during Gupta period was called, and the correct answer is Khila. Habitable land during Gupta period was called, and the correct answer is Vastu Bhumi. Pasture land during Gupta period was called, and the correct answer is Charaga Bhumi. Forest land during Gupta period was called, and the correct answer is Aprahata Bhumi. The officer in charge of a province was called as, and the correct answer is Aparika or Bhogapati. The officer in charge of a district was known as, and the correct answer is Vishayapati or Ayukta. Which inscription gives evidence regarding land survey during Gupta period? And the correct answer is Puna plate of Prabhavati Gupta. Which officer maintained record of all land transactions in the district? And the correct answer is Pustapala. Which dynasty in ancient India issued largest number of gold coins? And the correct answer is the Guptas. Which dynasty in ancient India issued purest form of gold coins? And the correct answer is Kushanas. What other metallic coins apart from gold were used during Gupta period? And the correct answer is silver for local exchange and copper coins. There was a decline in long distance trade during Gupta period. True or false? And the correct answer is true. Trade with Roman Empire declined after 3rd century AD. Indian merchants relied more on Southeast Asian trade now. What was Bhaga during Gupta period? And the correct answer is it was king's customary share of the produce, which was 1/6 of the produce paid by all cultivators. Who wrote Khanda Khadyaka? And the correct answer is Brahmagupta. What was Bhoga during Gupta period? And the correct answer is periodic supplies of fruits, firewood, etc. by villagers to king. Which work of Kalidasa talks about the military victories of Guptas? And the correct answer is Raghuvamsam. What was Bali during Gupta period? And the correct answer is it was an additional and oppressive tax. What was Uparika during Gupta period? And the correct answer is it was an extra tax levied on all subjects. What was some of the eastern ports during Gupta period? And the correct answer is Tamralipti in West Bengal, Ghantashala in Andhra Pradesh, and Kandura. These handled North Indian trade with Southeast Asia. What were some of the western ports during Gupta period? And the correct answer is Bharuch, Chaul, Kalyan, Cambay. These handled West Asia and Mediterranean trade. In how many categories can the architecture of Gupta period be divided? And the correct answer is rock cut caves, structural temples, and stupas. What are the examples of rock cut caves of Gupta period? And the correct answer is Ajanta and Ellora group, which is in Maharashtra, and Bagh caves. What are the examples of structural temples of Gupta period? And the correct answer is Dasavatara temple of Deoghad, Shiva temple of Bhumra, Madhya Pradesh, Vishnu and Kankali temple of Madhya Pradesh, Parvati temple of Madhya Pradesh, Shiva temple of Madhya Pradesh, Krishna brick temple of Uttar Pradesh, Lakshman temple of Madhya Pradesh, Vishnu and Varaha temple of Madhya Pradesh. Where is the Dasavatara temple, which is famous for its ornate and beautiful structure, situated? And the correct answer is it is situated at Devgarh, which is in Uttar Pradesh. During Gupta period, for the first time, we get images of which gods? And the correct answer is Vishnu, Shiva, and other gods. What are the examples of stupas of Gupta period? And the correct answer is Mirpur Khas, which is in Sindh, Dhammek, which is in Sarnath, and Ratnagiri, Odisha. Which type of temple architecture is associated with Gupta period? And the correct answer is Nagara type or Shikhara style. Where was the image of God kept in Guptan temple architecture? And the correct answer is Garbhagriha, which is the shrine room. Which sculpture of Buddha depicts the Buddha preaching the Dhamma? And the correct answer is seated Buddha image of Sarnath. Where can we find the Great Boar Varaha carved relief? And the correct answer is Cave of Udaygiri in Madhya Pradesh. The paintings of Gupta period can be found at Dash, and the correct answer is Bagh in Madhya Pradesh and Ajanta in Maharashtra. Old religious books like Vayu Purana, Vishnu Purana, Matsya Purana, Ramayana and Mahabharata and Manusmriti were rewritten during which period? And the correct answer is Gupta period. When was Narada Smriti, Parashara Smriti, Brihaspati Smriti and Katyayana Smriti written? And the correct answer is Gupta period. What were some of the Buddhist texts written during Gupta period? And the correct answer is Abhidharma Kosha and Vishuddhimagga. Who wrote Abhidharma Kosha? And the correct answer is Dignaga. Who wrote Vishuddhimagga? And the correct answer is Buddha Kosha. Who wrote the Jain text Nyayavartam? And the correct answer is Siddhasena. Which was the first poetry written by Kalidasa? And the correct answer is Ritu Samhar. Which was the first drama written by Kalidasa? And the correct answer is Malvika Agnimitra. Who wrote Mudra Rakshasa? And the correct answer is Vishakadatta. Who wrote Kiratarjuniya? And the correct answer is Bharavi. Who wrote Kavya Darsa? And the correct answer is Dandin. Who wrote Panchatantra? And the correct answer is Vishnu Sharma. Who wrote Dasakumar Charita? And the correct answer is Dandin. Who wrote Mrichakatika? And the correct answer is Sudraka. Who wrote Kama Sutra, the earliest book on sex? And the correct answer is Vatsyayan. Who wrote Aryabhatiya? And the correct answer is Aryabhatta. Who wrote Shunya Siddhant? And the correct answer is Aryabhatta. Who wrote Brahma Siddhant? And the correct answer is Brahmagupta. Who wrote Pancha Siddhantaka? And the correct answer is Varahamihira. Who wrote Ashtanga Hridaya? And the correct answer is Vagabhatta. Who wrote Vrihat Samhita? And the correct answer is Varahamihira. Who wrote Navanitakam? And the correct answer is Dhanavantri. The book Navanitakam of Gupta period is a book on, and the correct answer is it is a book on medicine. Who wrote Laghu Jataka? And the correct answer is Varahamihira. Who wrote Mahabhaskarya? And the correct answer is Bhaskara. Who wrote Laghu Bhaskarya? And the correct answer is Bhaskara. Who wrote Hasta Ayurveda? And the correct answer is Palkapya. Who wrote Vrihat Jataka? And the correct answer is Varahamihira. Who translated Manusmriti in English? And the correct answer is William Jones. William Jones translated Manusmriti in English under the title of Dash. And the correct answer is Institutes of Hindu Law. Who translated Abhignana Shakuntalam in English? And the correct answer is William Jones. Who is known as the Shakespeare of India? And the correct answer is Kalidasa. Mrichakatika, that is the clay cart, is the love story of Dash. And the correct answer is it is a love story of poor Brahman Charudatta and virtuous courtesan Vasanta Sena. Brahma Siddhanta was translated in Arabic under the title of Dash. And the correct answer is Sindh Hind. Who translated Bhagavad Gita to English? And the correct answer is Charles Wilkins. Great personage like Kalidasa, Amar Simha, Dhanavantri, Aryabhatta, Varahamihira, etc. lived during which period? And the correct answer is Gupta period. Who were some of the great personalities who lived during Gupta period? And the correct answer is Kalidasa, Amar Simha, Dhanavantri, Aryabhatta, Varahamihira, etc. It is 66 miles north of Aurangabad. There are 29 rock-cut Buddhist caves, and these caves has unique paintings, sculptures and architectures of period from 2nd century BC till 7th century BC. These are the features of which architecture? And the correct answer is Ajanta caves. Who was the first Chinese pilgrim to visit India? And the correct answer is Fa Hien. This is the end of lesson, guys. Thank you.